Welcome back to the channel. Now, after violent clashes between the JLP and PMP supporters at the swearing-in of the KSAMC councillors, Nigel Clark has confirmed that the government has heard the cries of the people and are addressing the issues taking place with the WAF. Miller pointed out the WAF are one of the entities where they hold back the Jamaican country in its road to progress. Now, in a tweet, Nigel Clark was quoted as saying, "The people can't wait anymore. Effective April the 1st, there'll be major changes to the money being paid for goods being imported to the Jamaican island and move from $50 to $100, which is a 100% increase. And effective April the 2nd, the duty-free threshold for household and personal effects will also receive an 100% increase. Now, the personal income tax threshold will move from 1.5 to 1.7 million. Boy, after every Warmington say what him say, and the people them start say what them say about the house speaker, and even Nigel Clark, when the people them start talking about that $50 they will say I circulate social media, but for the same $50, but the durability was definitely being questioned. This is a step in the right direction. And of course, in the comment section, we are all people that say them plan to start clear the machine cart and all that. But the truth of the matter is, when it's cheaper for import goods, when it's cheaper for import the things needed, even though we still never hear them talk about certain things. But when it's easier for getting the equipment, we can say agriculture production increase. When it is cheaper to import goods, we can see the price of certain things go down, and people will start to import more. More people can get to become customers because the price point is now in a region where everybody can get to. And of course, when the government does something good, you can point it out. Could it have been more? Of course. The people always want more. But as the Prime Minister pointed out, the situation is still being worked on. Meaning, say, the economy will get better and better as time go by. So the Prime Minister say, we now have all the data if we can either refute or confirm what the state say. And the state and people who involved in the economic sector can really tell about the economy in detail. Jamaican people can look forward for some more barrel. Walmart have some good sale more while. Costco, Dollar Tree in Canada give the things them more while. Not literally, but just to the price point. But talk to me. Tell them to feel like this is enough to ease off the eyes off of the JLP. Because with them almost losing the local government election, we see the clashes that take place at home. Footage that circulates social media. We hear the statements from every Warmington. We hear about the fallout to come after that. We hear about the reports that haven't been tabled, and the people must say, boy, the whole speaker and the Prime Minister are husband and wife. Even people will not fully understand the concept of conflict of interest. I said, them doesn't like how that sound. Some people say, while they were alright with the whole speaker being a member of the parliament or a member of a political party, some people are really alright with the whole speaker being the wife of the Prime Minister. But the new thing about them attack, them also say $20,000 for the tax return for Jamaicans only earning, I think, under 2 mil. Or I think under the same 1.7. It's true be told, I strongly believe this. With the right policies put in place, with the mindset of the people geared towards a better Jamaica, with the violence level reduced to a level where it is not as if people from the certain class or certain communities or, certain places on the island have to get involved in criminal activity. Because in this day and age with the BPO sector, with students who leave school with at least a school leaving certificate, them can get in the BPO sector There's somewhere for them gain employment. While the sector is not for everybody, and everybody can manage the hours and the type of work itself. At least in this day and age, there's a sector where can employ a large volume of Jamaicans. And with them type of initiative being pushed by the state, things will be better. One thing I will notice, whether in the movies or in real life, the criminal element is always wealthy criminals using criminals where are individuals that are not wealthy. Individuals that have money and use them money for either get them into criminal activity or entice them for join criminal organizations. With families earning more, we'll start seeing more students we can left from high school, go to college. And hopefully we can see a more prosperous Jamaica. Now, of course, you have the critics. You have people who ask the question, where money I come from? People must say, who I pay for this? Of course, that will be taxpayer dollars. The people must say, if this is just politics. If this is just like when Elver Warmington say, him just attack when I talk, say. You know what I mean? There was no way him could actually do what me that say. Just say it to the people because, you know what I mean? They feel like they say it. He say he's the man just talk in mind. The post read say, the people can't wait any longer. And as of April the 1st, this is what them plan to do. Now is this just talk because of the budget debate? And this is something where eventually it's going to be objected to, it's going to be restructured, changed again, and you know, the final product that people are given would not be actually what they want or even what was talked about in the first place. We don't know. Him say effective the first. So that would mean this is already something we are, you know, the administration, it is within their power to do this. The administration has decided that April the 1st and the 2nd, these are the new policies where they are put in place. And that's something up for debate. It was just being announced during the debate. But this is a policy where the government are put in place right now. And of course, businesses where import certain goods, especially things classified under household and personal effects. You know what I mean? That's a good look. You can start, see, as one point out before, more people will start to get more things from overseas again. Because at one point, the duty with the people made that pay. Now, there's still more structure or restructuring we need for going on the wharf. The people must have them want car from a certain year for come on the Jamaican island or for be allowed to be shipped down to the Jamaican island. They want to change the price for ship a car them. You cannot pay so much to do it. You still need some things where people who are farmers, when them are going to import certain equipment needed for do farming, whether that be a tractor, you know what I mean, a truck for transport the goods, wherever it may be, that for duty free. Farmer not supposed to start paying no duty for import nothing we're going to help out the country. Me not see it. Me not see why. If a farmer say him need tractor for the farming, me not see why the warfare charge him the same price when him pay for the tractor. No. Agriculture benefit both the farmer and the country at large. Worse with whole people not actually going into agriculture. We have to help out the ones that are already in the industry. Think about that. So we still not hear them say nothing about that. And them need to come address things like that. But so far, why you are going on the budget debate? Keep in mind, Jamaica's budget for this year is the largest it has ever been. Normally, them numbers are with that year with some big first world countries. $1 trillion budget. Or $1 billion. We don't want to exaggerate. Must say $1 billion, but one of them not high number there. We don't want to exaggerate on the state. It's either $1 trillion or $1 billion. One of them number there, the people them would never have a budget at that amount. I know the worst thing is because of devaluation of the dollar and because of inflation, as high as the budget is, it's less than before. Yo, the math's confusing. I know the ear just say a while ago when I say, oh, the math's confusing. even though it's more, it's almost like it's still less because of the devaluation of the dollar. But all in all, tell me what you think about Clark's new statements. State seems to be going in the right direction, or is at least a step in the right direction, even though the whole thing is up for debate. If you're new to the channel, let's pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love and prosper, and for to stay tuned.